Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. An 8 to 1 multiplexer is used to implement a logic function y as shown in the figure. The output y is given by. What is the expression of y that we are going to calculate? So how to write the expression for a multiplexer? That is very important. So if you know that procedure, at that time you can solve any number of questions on the multiplexer. Always remember that one. Multiplexer implements SOP expression. Multiplexer implements SOP expression. SOP expression is nothing but sum of products expression. Sum of products expression. So that implies nothing but, so product terms are going to be generated, afterwards they will be get summed up like this. P1, P2, P3, P4 are going to be product terms, and those product terms are going to be get summed up. So first of all we should know how to generate the product term, and later all those product terms are going to be get summed up. Okay, so since it is 3 variable expression, at most you may get 8 product terms. 3 variable expression because it is going to be indicating 3 control signals, 3 select lines. So A, B, C are going to be control signals. Based on that one, there may be 8 product terms at most you may generate. So these 3 variables can take any of the 8 possible combinations, because 3 variables is nothing but 2 power 3, which are nothing but 8 possible combinations we will get from 0 0 0 to 1 1 1. So all those combinations are going to be given in this way: I0, I1, I2, I3, I4 like this. So this 0 implies nothing but this is decimal equivalent of the combination of ABC. So ABC 0 0 0 is nothing but whose decimal value is 0. If you check it as 2, that is 0 1 0 like that. So first write those things: 0 0 0, this is 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. So these are the equivalent minterms, equivalent binary value for the lines. Now you have to write the minterm expression for this one. Minterm expression is nothing but, now 0 is nothing but S2 bar. Okay, whatever the control signal you are connecting, A is connecting to, this is A is nothing but MSB, which is nothing but leftmost bit. C is nothing but LSB, which is rightmost bit. So this 0, first 0 is nothing but A, second one is B, last one is nothing but C. So this is nothing but A bar, B bar, C bar. Next, this can be A bar, B bar, C. And here, this you can write as A bar, B, C bar. We are interested only wherever it is connected with input. If it is connecting with 0, at that time it doesn't have much effect. Okay, so here we will write it as A bar, B, C. Next, A, B bar, C bar. Next, this can be written as, we will write all those things otherwise: A bar, B, C bar. Next, this is A, B bar, C, A, B, C bar, and last one is nothing but ABC. So these are the minterms corresponding to select lines. So depending on the combination present at select line, that corresponding minterm is going to be active, and that line is going to be selected, which will be connected to Y. So now product terms are going to be generated by multiplying these minterm expressions, multiplying with the corresponding inputs. So this line is connected to this minterm, and the value of the input is 0. So multiply input value into the corresponding minterm. That is the product which it is generating. Second product is nothing but second line. Second line minterm multiplying with input. Third product. Third line minterm multiplying with its input. Okay. So whenever you are multiplying anything with 0, that will be result in 0 only. So 0 into minterm will be definitely 0. So I0 doesn't give any product term because I0 is given 0. So that Y can be written in this way. Okay. This is D multiplying with A bar, B bar, C. So A bar, B bar, C into D. This is the product term you are generating for this one, because the input for this line is not 0 and input for this line is 0. Okay, we will go with different color. Now this doesn't give any input because the input is 0. 0 into something is 0. And next, This is also giving 0 input. 0 into something is nothing but 0. This doesn't appear in the output expression. And these two are going to be again 0 inputs. So 0 into something, and the last is also zeros. Whatever the leftovers is nothing but this one. Second product is nothing but with respect to I3 line. I3 is nothing but A bar BC. So you are going to write it as A bar B, C and D multiplying with. Next, this is a third one. Okay, so this is with I6. I6 is nothing but 1 into. So 1 into something is nothing but that something you will get. So it is nothing but A, B, C bar only you will get. Okay, so from this one, if you observe, this is A bar B bar CD plus A bar B CD. So take A bar CD is going to be common. By that time you will get it as B bar plus B plus A B C bar. So B bar plus B is nothing but 1, so that it will be equal to A bar CD plus A B bar C. This is a final expression for Y. So that is A bar BC and A bar CD. So the right option for this one is C. A B C bar plus A bar CD. Right option is C. A B C bar. This is A B C bar. Sorry. A B C bar plus A bar CD. So this is the right option is C. Thank you.